Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is sponsored by WedWigs. They sent me this unit. It came pre-plugged. I'm going to write down all the information of the hair on the screen so that you guys can know. So the hair actually came in this satin bag that I'm gonna show you guys. It was very strong, like the quality of it was very strong. I was so shocked when I actually saw it. It was like it's not like silk, it was so strong. So the hair came in pre-plucked, as you guys can see. So I thought I needed to like pluck it a bit more because I like things. So yeah, after this, on this clip I'm actually showing you guys after I've actually plucked the hair. I first bleached the hair and then I actually followed by plucking the hair. I feel like it's much easier when you first bleach, and I felt like I bleached the hair too much, so I went on and used this lace tint from Beauty. She has this in different colors, so you will choose the color that is going to suit your skin. So this is the amount of hair that I actually got from plucking the hair. As you guys can see, like it wasn't that much. Like even the knots of this hair, they are very like they're very invisible, you can't really see them.
Okay guys, so I have already installed my bald cap. I think I do have a video where I'm actually installing or like showing you guys how I do my bald cap method, but if it's not that detailed, I am going to try and make another one which is like more detailed. Okay, this is the hair as I showed you. The knots are like way too like they like gold, so I'm not sure if like they are going to. Okay, it's fine. So I'm going to just try out the wig. Oh, let me just show you how the wig is actually constructed. So they said that the wig is actually a 360. When they said that the wig is actually 360, I'm going to get a 360 wig. I thought that maybe this part, the back is going to be like a lace. To be quite honest, like I really don't see the reason as to why the lace should be here. Like I really don't get it, because if you're going to cut the lace, like let me just show you guys. I'm not sure if I'm being like reasonable or what, but if you're going to cut the lace, the only thing that is going to be left is this the cap. So I feel like there's no reason, or like there's no need for this whole entire lace to be here. Only if the back looked like the front, then I would have understood like that's a 360. With this, I really don't understand why is it here. Are we supposed to cut a bit of lace and then we leave it? No, I don't think so. But what I'm actually happy about is that I'm gonna be able to actually like tie my hair up, which is one thing I like I'm okay with that. It's fine. But even if there was lace in this wig, I wasn't going to install it because I can't install. I've never tried installing what is this, the lace at the back of my head. So I'm going to start off by just cutting off this part. As you guys can see, I'm going to start and cut this whole entire part, so that I can actually measure my the lace itself. So I'm gonna need a scissor. My scissors are just dying, I don't know why. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this lace as I said. I'm gonna show you when I'm done cutting this lace, so that you guys are gonna see what I really mean when I say there was no need for this lace. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut this part. This was just supposed to be like a 13 by 4. You know, I feel like there was no need for it to be like a 360. So you see when I've cut the lace at the back, this is the lace I actually cut. Do you see when the lace is actually like removed from the back? This is how it actually like looks like. So this is how the wig is constructed inside. It looks like a teapot, but it's like not really like a teapot, but this looks like a closure wig, but with like a bit of hair at the sides. You know, it's not like a full frontal wig. You're gonna be able to, like, if you want to your part to be this, I'm just making an example, if you want your part to be here, then you're gonna be able to do it. But with this you're gonna be able to like do a side part or just a middle part. So now I'm gonna wear my wig cap, my wig, just to see how I'm going to see where I'm going to cut the lace at the sides, because I find it very easy when I first cut the sides and then I install my wig. Okay, so this can actually be like a glueless wig, to be quite honest. I can just like sew in some, what is this called, an elastic here at the ends, and then it's gonna be like a glueless wig, because you guys can see. And I love the lace of this wig. It is just a bit transparent. Yeah, if you can see the cap, through the lace, and then it means that the lace is actually a transparent lace. But this is not really like a transparent. I feel like this is like an HD. So yeah, and also this side, as you guys can see, the highlight is too much, so I'm gonna try and use this spray to just tone it down a bit. Okay, so I did tint the hair, so now I'm going to blow dry it so that the tint is going to dry. So I tried to tint this hair, so I hope that now the hairline is the knots. Yeah, so this is what I wanted. So if you want this tint, I'm not sure if she still has it. I'm going to link down her page down below. So I don't know what is happening here, but it's cool. So now I am going to start and apply this here. I'm going to go in with like 2 layers of the styling gel, and then I'm gonna go in with 1 layer of the ghost bond. I mean, not the ghost bond, what am I saying? Of the got to be, because I think I'm going to remove this hair tonight. So yeah, so I'm gonna wait for this to actually dry, and then I'm gonna start and apply the hair. Okay, so since I've already applied the second layer, I'm going to go in with the spray now, and I don't want to like spray the whole entire spray on the cap, because the cap is going to shift and I don't want that. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna take like whatever that you're gonna take, and then you're going to spray your spray here, and then you're gonna take your comb, whatever comb. You can even use a plastic comb, but I like using this one. And then you're going to take your, let me just show you guys. You're going to take your comb and you're going to do like this, and then after that you're going to light your hair dryer. Once the glue is actually bouncy like this, and then that's when you can start and apply your lace, because you don't want it to get dry too much, otherwise it won't stick. So I'm gonna pull the hair and then you're going to like comb the lace like this so that it's gonna stick, and then you pull the other side. You can even go with the back of the comb just to like rub it onto your skin. hair. I am done installing it, and as you guys can see, the hair is like beautiful. I haven't haven't applied any serum. I'm supposed to apply serum so that the curls are not going to be dry. I'm just going to like go in with the serum like this. Ooh. I felt like when I saw the hair, when the hair actually arrived to me, I was like, ish. First of all, these curls are kinky curls. And when I look at the curls, I felt like they were not going to be like this much. Like, as you guys can see the volume. Imagine when the hair is like dry now, you know? Like, I am super happy. I'm happy with this hair, guys. To be honest, I am so happy. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy this video, please like this video, and also if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and show me some love. And also, if you actually want to get a shout out from me, please just comment down below, just anything, and then you will get a shout out on my next video. So yeah, honeys, hi guys.